120 decibels! Louder than the Akron Stadium crowd, Flav. Mix it well. Every piece needs to be perfectly coated.
The secret armor, cornstarch. The secret armor.
Cornstarch. Dredge them deep. Welcome to FlavLab. Today's MVP, crispy Korean chicken. Lagui, let's get cooking.
Get ready for a flavor explosion.
Fry until golden brown. The base crunch is forming. Shake off the excess. We want a thin, crispy shield.
Step 1. The marinade. 1 egg and a splash of soy sauce. Let's show them the secret to the ultimate Chimaek crunch.
Ha!
Oil's hot, 375 degrees. Kickoff time. Look at that color. A golden trophy.
Let them rest. Drain the grease for maximum crunch.
Now, the game changer. Gochujang, ketchup, and honey.
Soy sauce, rice vinegar for the perfect balance.
Simmer until it's thick and glossy. Back into the big wok. Let's combine.
A squeeze of fresh lime. Acidity is the MVP. Time for the championship toss!
Toss it! Coat it!
Let the heat caramelize the glaze into the crust.
Garnish time! Sesame seeds raining down.
And fresh chives for that green pop.
The ultimate platter is ready!
Ready for kickoff? Let's hear that crunch.
Crunch! Oh my gochujang!
The sweetness, the heat, perfect tactical balance.
I'm going for the hat trick.
Look at this! Still crispy under the sauce.
Wait! The heat is kicking in! Spicy! Drink some milk!
The ultimate spice goalkeeper.
Whew! Saved! Ready for round 2?
Subscribe to FlavLab for more World Cup recipes.
What's your favorite game day food? Comment below. Let's add the perfect yolk.
That looks incredible. Let's turn up the heat. Watch that sizzle.
Perfection. Let's make the ultimate sauce. Thick, glossy, and full of flavor. Perfect gochujang.
That is absolutely perfect.
Let's make some!
Korean fried chicken! Always double fry for the stadium-level crunch. Cheers from the lab. Enjoy the match.
Welcome to FlavLab.
Let's cook up something amazing.
Are you ready? You thought the crunch was over? Wait until you see the stretch. We are taking the World Cup to Czechia.